My KitchenAid oven door has stains on the interior glass panels of the oven door. How do I get these cleaned? I've tried the self-cleaning feature of the oven and that does a great job of cleaning the interior of the oven, but not the glass panels in the door. Please help.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. Are the stains on the glass that you can touch? Or are they inside the door where you can't access?
The stains are on the glass inside the door where I cannot access.
If you're trying to get between the oven door glass, then the entire door needs to be pulled off and the door taken apart. If you open the door up all the way, there is either a flip-up locking tab on each hinge that you can rotate upwards so that the hinge locks out, or there will be a tiny hole that appears at the joint of the hinge which you can stick a small screw through to lock the hinge out. Once the hinges are locked out, just lift the door up to the broil position and pull it off the oven. Now you can remove the screws coming in from the top and bottom and the door will split apart so that you can clean between the oven door glass. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.